This video will show you how to view your swipe records using our DX Access Control software. To do this, you'll select Basic Operate, you can select a select number of doors or select all. In this example, we'll just select all, select Get Rec, and then OK. Then go to Query Swipe Records. Okay, and if you're looking for a specific date, you'll just select Event Time, put in your date parameters, and select Query. And that is how you view your swipe records in our DX Access Control software. Thank you for watching.